Everyone, welcome to Tycorun Channel. This is Andrea. Today, we will focusing on our safe, consistent, traceable battery swapping solutions. And we will walk you through exactly how our batteries are built for reliability. First, let's break down our battery production process. It starts with cell testing, sorting, grouping individual cells, cutting and module assembly, welding, BNS installation, porting, battery casing, and finally, regular testing and aging. Every step is strategically controlled to make top performance. Now, let's look at the three main lithium battery cell types. Cylindrical cells, prismatic aluminum shell cells, pouch cells. Each cell with distinct features and advantages. At Tycorun, we choose pouch cells for our battery swapping solutions, and that's why. They are thinner to fit more compact designs, lighter to reduce vehicle weight, offer greater structural flexibility, perfect for assembly and battery replacement in battery swapping stations. Next, let's clarify NCM vs LFP cells. NCM with 3.65 voltage, thinner profile, better low temperature, and high energy density. LFP with 3.2 voltage, exceptional safety, longer circle life, and with a standard 21 kilograms. They are perfect for daily use and cost-effective are key. If you are interested in our tailored battery swapping stations, scan the code on the screen. Let's build a better power future together. See you next time.